Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you on how to make a Florida driver's license appointment. So basically, we are a new resident here in Florida now, so this is how we did it. I just typed the how to make a Florida driver's license appointment on Google, and then this will show you on where to go. So just click on this website. This will show up. And then just click on the online appointment service and information system, and then it will show you this page, and you have to select your county below. So all the Florida counties are here. So we're in Volusia right now. I click on that, and then so for South Daytona, under comments, you just need to go to reserve a place in line, and it will redirect you to this website, vctaxcollector.org. And then you need to schedule your appointment here. So for us, we need a driver's license, so we click on that one. So it show you here what you need to bring. So to make an appointment, click here. So we need a driver's license. So under driver's license, you can view the fees, what to bring on here. Let's try Daytona Beach. So it says here only Florida driver's license renewals and replacement can be done in the Daytona Beach and DeLand branches. So I'm gonna go back because I'm a new resident here. I need to go to South Daytona. Then you can choose if it's English or Espanol. I'll choose English, and then you just need to put your name here. And phone. And after you put your name and your phone number, this will show up. So I'll choose the driver's license appointment and driver's license. And then today is May 18th, and the earliest is June 1st. You can get from 9:20 a.m. The latest is at 3:10 p.m. So you just need to click on what time you want your schedule will be, and then after that, a code will be sent to your phone number. You just have to put that, and then just follow the instructions, and then it will be confirmed, and they will send a confirmation to your email address. And that's it, guys. They will be also sending you a lot of reminders, and just watch out for that. And also, if you want to cancel your appointment, there will be instructions for that in their text messages also. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps.